Alright, hello guys, 16th of May 2019. New but old bike. I had one of these before, sold it for some reason. And anyways, now as you can see, I got external microphone put into my helmet, so we'll see how that goes. I'm going to drive to my summer cabin. Just gonna listen out to some chill reggae and cruise along and comment the video with you guys. Let's go. Alright, off to a good start. I don't know how the sound is. I'm not gonna try and talk too loud because I think that my voice is pretty loud. And there was a beautiful new generation Scania from my old work. So now the sound is probably great right now. I'm only driving 65, so you can probably hear the engine noise as well. Man, gotta be ready on the brakes when driving this close. I haven't really adjusted the rear brake, but it feels like I can rest my foot on it. You know, you should be able to rest your foot on the brake. It's really important. You brake with the rear brake first, and then after you brake with the rear brake, then you push the front brake, so you get it down a little bit, and that way it's better. So now we're driving in 80 kilometers an hour, switching up to fifth gear. Fifth gear is like on the edge at 80. It's like on the edge there, like 2000 RPMs or something. This thing doesn't have any RPM gauge, but you can set it up so you can see the RPMs. So it does sense the RPM, so it's weird that they didn't put any RPM gauge. So there's the globe. Now we're here driving towards the city. Gonna have to switch down to fourth gear. Again, I think the wind noise is probably pretty bad, because I can hear the wind smashing onto my helmet. So you'll probably hear it too, smashing onto the helmet. Especially above 80, 75 driving now. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting for me to see later on how this video turns out. I have no idea. Hopefully the sound is good. I do use headset, like regular headphones. I had a microphone I bought from eBay from China. And guys, please stop buying crap from China. It's just crap anyways. Because like for me, this microphone, it lasted like for 5 minutes, and then it like barely worked, and then it stopped working completely. So it's now 10:20 o'clock, almost 11. Right, so look at those skies, nice sky. Although some so-called chemtrails over there, and I'm not paying any taxes going through here on my motorbike, which is nice. There's the train. Hello train, I'm faster than you. Okay, driving down into the tunnel. This is noisy. Oh shit, this is noisy. My ears, they're like bleeding right now. Wow, I just want to get out of here. Right, so exiting the tunnel into Gamblestan, the old city area. How you doing, Carlsberg? Having a good day over there? E18. Here we go to E18. So now you should hear me excellent, I think. I don't like how close that car is behind me. You know, people are so bad at reacting. the other day I had a fox running out in front of me, and I had really good space, so I even braked slowly, but then the fox was so slow it didn't run. So basically let's just cut through here. I think I don't want to go there. Yeah, the fox was running and I braked a little bit slowly to warn the car behind me, but it seems like he didn't really react. Because he almost crashed into me, so yeah. Gotta be aware of my bags now though, so can't cut too much. Gotta be careful. You see, that's probably really close right there. Gotta leave some space everywhere. Some extra space for me. I can't squeeze through as easily as when I'm not... Oh, look at there, they're towing flygbussarna. Wow, that biofuel didn't last long, huh? Come on, drive. Dude, let me go past this dude. There we go. Thank you. Right, don't drive like this at home, you guys. Nice car. Oh yeah. You wanna have a race? Viking Line, that's where we're going. Right, and you probably noticed I put on the original exhausts again. Or again. I restored it, I mean. I bought it with the GPR exhausts, which was really loud, man. It was so loud, and I don't like that. It's too loud. It's way too loud, man. It's just, you can't really enjoy to. I mean, sometimes when you're driving in the city and you're like disturbing all the neighbors and everything, you're just destroying the beautiful silence. So that's just, you know, a shame, I think. So that's why I don't like to make too much noise. I think you should keep your cars and your bikes original, you guys. Oh, and also I removed the power commander, and the bikes runs a lot leaner now, which I like because I don't stink gasoline. Overtake like this, pretty illegal, don't copy me. Right, so we're in the Northern Link now. 87, 85. It's probably very noisy, but I bet you can hear me, like what I'm saying at least. And here we're gonna take a left. So I have also put back the original blinkers in the front, so that they can see me better, because the small LEDs, they are so weak, and I think in the front it's very important so you can tell people what way you're going. In the back it's not really as important as the front, I think, but it's also pretty good in the back for, you know, dead angle when there's a car coming and you're blinking and it sees your blinkers. So, you know, it's probably equally as important. And also I bought a new registration plate, which is smaller, and it has the European symbol on it with S for Sweden as well. I had to buy a new new registration plate, because the old one, it didn't fit between the original pipes. The custom pipes, they have like an adapter which you have to install so that they come out more. Otherwise it's going to be hard to put them on. So with the originals they don't have that, so they're closer together. And then the registration plate got smushed. So I had to buy a new one, because the new ones, they're actually a little bit smaller. So that's a tip for you guys if you didn't know. If you live in Sweden, perhaps. So that's about it, I think, for this video, because now I'm gonna drive pretty fast and it's gonna be pretty noisy. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, and basically I'll just probably be recording for nothing. Although the only bad thing with this camera setup is that now every time I gotta stop recording my audio or microphone, and then I have to stop, because I can't reach for my phone and turn off the recording when I'm driving. But I can reach for the camera and turn it off, which is really nice, because it's right here in the front, in my chin. But so yeah, and you don't want to be laying in dead angles of cars and stuff. I really don't like that. But so yeah, now we're driving here in 93 kilometers an hour. I'm wondering how you can hear me. Not really any wind coming in through here, because the microphone is up here by my nose almost. But there is probably a lot of noise that from the wind hitting the helmet, which the microphone is picking up. I think I'm gonna turn off here somewhere. I just hope I can turn on again. Oh no, I don't wanna turn on. I'll not turn on here. It's gonna be pretty annoying. You see? Because I wanna shut off the. I wanna shut off the camera or the microphone. I don't think that's a good place either. Here I can drive back on again over there. So yeah, let's stop over here, you guys, and I'll shut you off. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and my strange voices. Please leave your tips, feedback or whatever below.